Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm super excited to unbox this Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2 44mm aluminum version that I received today, and I'll also briefly introduce you about its specs as well as compare it with its predecessor Galaxy Watch Active first generation. So let's get into it. If you are someone new to our channel, please consider subscribing to our channel as we do regular reviews for various smartwatches and smartphones, software reviews and tutorials. Also check out our playlist tab to find curated playlist for various content we post on this channel. We have a dedicated playlist for Galaxy Watch Active 2, so make sure to check it out. So I finally have this Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2 that is 44mm aluminum version to unbox. I got it for 399 Canadian dollars, which is significant difference from the 40mm Galaxy Watch Active first generation that I have, which cost me only 250 Canadian dollar. And since I pre-ordered this Watch Active 2, I also got this awesome 10,000 mAh fast charge capable wireless battery pack that is worth for 80 Canadian dollars for free. I'll be posting an unboxing and specification video pretty soon for this battery pack, so hit that subscribe button so you don't miss it. Just a heads up guys, the one I have over here is not an LTE version, which is not available at this point, but it's coming soon, and I believe it will be stainless steel version. However, the one I have does include Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, NFC and GPS. Guys, check out our Amazon storefront to get amazing deals for this Galaxy Watch Active 2 and its accessories in the description of this video, where you'll also find link to try Amazon Prime for absolutely no charge. Be sure to check it out. Alright, let's go ahead and get into the unboxing experience. The first impression to the box itself is that it's just identical to the Watch Active first generation, except that it says Active 2. It certainly is super tiny and incredibly lightweight. Just for comparison, here are the boxes of the Fitbit Versa, Charge 2 and the Motorola 360. And look at this Samsung Active 2 box. I really like the minimalistic design. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Samsung has done a really good job to hide the quick start guide, which most people don't even care about, under the lid of the box. People nowadays use YouTube as a quick start guide for most of the devices, which certainly is a bread maker for YouTubers like me. This was also the case for its predecessor Watch Active first generation, except that they have changed the color for some reason to black, as you can see here. I did a specification video for the Galaxy Watch Active first generation. You can find it linked up here and watch it once you're done watching this one if you want to. Inside the box is the smartwatch itself laid on its side with the speaker facing on the top. I have this black aluminum version, but you can also get other colors as shown over here. There is no extra longer strap, which was provided in the Galaxy Watch Active first generation, and apparently the bands are just identical to its predecessor with the same locking pins and are 20mm wide. I can clearly feel the difference in weight just by holding the Watch Active first and second. Obviously the Watch Active 2 feels slightly heavier as it's 44mm, and the Active first generation on the other hand is 40mm. The center piece, I'm assuming, will have the magnetic wireless charger crumbled in it, just like the Watch Active first generation. So that's it with the unboxing. To me, it just felt like I was opening up the Galaxy Watch Active first generation. There was nothing special compared to it, but I really appreciate the minimalistic approach where everything was in that just perfect spot to avoid a bigger box. The setup process is just identical to the Galaxy Watch Active first generation, for which I have already done an in-depth video that is linked up here, and you can watch it once you're done watching this one. Now let's go ahead and talk about the specs for one versus the other. The smartwatch is packed with the same Exynos 9110 1.15 GHz dual processor and 768 megabytes of RAM, as well as 4 gigs of onboard storage. I personally don't have any complaints with the Watch Active first generation's processor and storage. I have used it up until now and it's pretty good. I would say though it would be really helpful if they would have added more onboard storage just to separate it from its predecessor, as I do have a lot of onboard pictures and songs. By the way, check this video out once you're done watching this one to see how to transfer songs and images on your Watch Active 2. This watch is 5 atmospheric pressure water resistance, just like the Watch Active 1, as well as mil-spec 810G for the drop protection. This 44mm version is powered by a 350 mAh battery with the WPC wireless charging capability. If you go for the 40mm or the Watch Active first generation, they both have 240 mAh battery with wireless charging capacity. You can charge all these smartwatches right from the back of your Samsung Galaxy S10 smartphone with the wireless charge share feature. The 44mm version will give more life compared to the other version, but obviously it depends on the usage. If you stream videos or music and use the speaker to talk on the phone, it will definitely drain the battery faster. I came from Fitbit Versa, which still after 2 years of usage gets me almost 4 days of moderate usage. The Watch Active 2 has a built-in GPS, Wi-Fi, pedometer, Bluetooth 5.0, NFC for contactless payment via Samsung Pay. The Galaxy Watch Active has a more advanced heart rate monitor, which I believe so has 8 photodiodes for more accurate heart rate tracking. It also has the newer ECG, that is electrocardiogram feature. This is not functional at this point, but will be available in early 2020. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss that video when I post it. The Watch Active 2 has an advanced accelerometer for more precise activity tracking. It runs on the Tizen OS 4.0, and I'm a big fan of the circular menu layout for the Tizen OS. The Galaxy Watch Active 2 is IP68 certified, so you can use it for swimming and it'll be waterproof up to 5 meters. In terms of the display, it has the 1.4-inch Super AMOLED capacitive touch screen with 16 million color display. It has a Corning Gorilla Glass DX Plus and the resolution of 360 by 360 pixels and about 364 ppi pixel density. The display looks quite vibrant. The Galaxy Watch Active 2 finally has this digital rotating bezel, which was lacking on the Galaxy Watch Active first generation. This is a really cool feature. It's not a physical rotating bezel, but does give you a haptic vibration when you rotate it, so it feels more real. When you take it right out of the box, it will not work, as you have to go in the setting to activate it. Let me just show you. In terms of dimension, this watch is 44mm in diameter, 10.9mm in thickness, slightly thicker than the Watch Active first generation, and weighs about 42 grams, slightly heavier compared to the Watch Active first generation over here. The straps are made of rubberized silicone and feels very soft on touch. Just so you know guys, any regular 20mm watch band will work on this watch Active 2, which is really nice. So the magnetic loop band, for which I did a video linked up here, will also work on the watch Active 2, so you don't need to invest heavily on a band. Any 20mm band will work over here. This is really appreciated. So that's it in terms of specs. Please stay tuned by subscribing, as there are more Galaxy Watch Active 2 videos coming up pretty soon. I already have done a dozen of video about apps, games and settings on Watch Active 1st generation. Most of these videos will work for Galaxy Watch Active 2 as well. So make sure to check out the whole playlist of those videos linked at the end of this video and in the description. And I bet you won't regret checking it out. So my final verdict about the Galaxy Watch Active 2 is that it's pretty identical to the predecessor, with differences like digital rotating bezel, speaker and microphone, slightly larger battery and display size, few built-in apps like YouTube, Twitter and others, and obviously 150 Canadian dollars costlier than the Watch Active 1st generation. So the choice is yours. If you're tight on budget, then you can pretty much save 150 Canadian dollars by going with the Watch Active 1st generation without missing a whole lot of feature. So I really hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please give this video a thumbs up, and maybe give it a thumbs up anyways as an appreciation to our effort for making this video. It really means a lot. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming videos, and take care. I'll see you guys in the next one.